Hi boys and girls. I just wanted to jump on here for math. Today, Thursday, we are doing math 10.5 and it's on graphs. There's not too much I can do from here to show you how to study those graphs really well. The tips I wanted to give you for today as you do your worksheet, just like we've read graphs all year long, we have the first graph on your page has pictures on it. So what kind of graph is that going to be? Yeah, it's a pictograph. Pictograph shows pictures, or you can say picture graph, but it's called a pictograph. So a picture graph is what you have first. The most important thing as you do your graph page is to look at the key. The key tells you what the pictures stand for. Remember, we've done pictures that stand for 2 sunflowers each, or 5 whatever each, or 10. This key for your first front of the page pictograph is bushels of produce grown in Grant County, but each basket, each bushel equals 1,000 bushels. So we're using our big numbers to count the bushels. So if we would count the corn, we would say 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. So we have 7,000 bushels of corn. Okay, remember that the bushels, remember that 7,000 is that 7 with a comma. And those 3 zeros that hold the place value, okay? So read it carefully. On the back, you have a bar graph. We are so much more used to reading that, but we have the Grant County Hobby Shop Sales graph on the back, the bar graph. We have the what they sell, the hobby shop sell on the side, and then across we have numbers in thousands of how many, okay? So remember, you go to the end of the bar, down to the bottom to read the numbers. So for the kites, we have a hobby shop that makes kites. You go over to the end of the kite line, down to the bottom, and it says 2,000. So they have sold 2,000 kites at this hobby shop sale. That's a lot of kites. Okay, so we are going to answer the questions, read our graphs carefully, and then at the bottom there's a review chart, and you're going to start with that number and then you're going to do whatever it tells you. So start with 3, and then it says at the top add 4. So 3 plus 4, 7. So you're going to put that in. Now we're going to 7 minus 6, that's just 1. Take that number, add 5, so 1 plus 5 is 6. Your final answer is 6. So you're going to just let that number change as you go through your addition and subtraction. All right, it should be pretty easy today. That's good, because tomorrow it gets a little bit harder. All right, so enjoy your reading your graphs today. Read them carefully, look at that key, and do careful math. Keep up on your math facts. I sent a math fact practice site out on an email on Monday, so keep practicing. It's a timed one too, so it helps you go really fast. Just click level 2 and keep your mind working.